Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a little bit of help with changing the size of images and then also finding images, a good way to find them to practice with. So on your screen, you're going to see, whenever you go into Google, you can go to advanced search. And I always teach my students about how you can go to usage rights right here and go to free to use, share, or modify even commercially, because that means you can modify or change it or post it on a website and it's not against copyright. Okay, so I click on that and then I do advanced search, and then these are pictures that you should be able to use. One cool thing about Google is that you can see the amount of pixels you have down at the bottom, like 4,000 by 2,248. That's a different size. You can see if there's bigger ones, smaller ones. Here's a smaller image, 720 by 480. Okay, and if you want to, you can go ahead and save it to your computer. And then what I've got right here is I've got an example of an image that I saved to my computer. And if you're on this screen and you don't know what the size of the image is, then you can look at the pixel amount by going to Properties. And down here you can see the dimensions. It's 800 by 600, and you can hit OK. And what happens if I have this wonderful image and I need to resize it, though? This is where a lot of teachers get kind of stuck. And you can go ahead and go to Paint, which is down here at the bottom. All you would need to do is type in Paint. And then you can see Paint is on the screen right here. And I've already opened a copy on my computer. And this is the image that I wanted to use. But when we first put this image into the computer, I'm going to go ahead and open another copy. You can see that down here at the bottom, my numbers weren't correct. It says 1756 by 1176. And if I wanted to put this in to my computer, then I'm going to see that that's not the correct size for an image. Because, like, for instance, on the cover image that we are going to put into our program, it says I have to have 1440 by 720 pixels. So that's not the correct number of pixels that I need. So what I need to do is I need to go up here to Resize. And then I'm going to click off where it says Maintain Aspect Ratio. And then I'm going to go to the number of pixels that I want. And I want for it to specifically have 1,440 by 720 pixels. And I want to hit OK. And then down here at the bottom, you can see that it's resized the picture. So then you just need to go up here and then hit Save As. And then you just need to call it something that you'll be able to find. And then hit Save, and then you should be good to go. So I hope this helps.